next step ini por kini kita arnut ke wan Bengaluru. We the opportunity yang Danush M and Imat YB. Ini dah member yang Rotary Club yang Rotary Club yang ke Sishu Mandir, Rotary Club yang ke Bengaluru, Whitefield Central, yang ke RID 3190. RID means Rotary International District ke Bengaluru. Ini yang hari dua ini tak agak 3240. Ini district of Hai kita 3190. The one in the Bengaluru, the cycle, Armuti, the Jintumuk yang kita mau kabar kamu awasi 29 number yang di states, little United States. The sedang kini ke journey yang kita luti yang kita Bengaluru nado ke khadwi teri Julai. Dan nen the one ke Shillong and nen po ke July. Nai ni ulah ke Assam. Ke luti ulah Assam dah tu pong kita na ulah lagi. Ya Bengaluru. Andolima secara tempat dan samsut kini keluar ngut tau keruh. Lupa break record. Jadi terang yang kita mulai kamu arpau 100 kilometer ku kabar jaga India ro aku habis state ro state lately human service. Jadi temu yang ki boil jawa job saya jengal ti yang ki ye ki kwa gup se apa go war genius book.
We are professional adventurist. So I am certified in mountaineering, rock climbing and aqua sports, and even I am a national climber. So attended two open national climbing competition, and so we are going to make an infrastructure of adventure in Bengaluru. So we need on a good platform. So we are doing this cycling also. So because of our future, we are doing this cycling, and we are representing India. That is, we are very proud for that. And this is the first time in Guinness Book of Records carrying luggage with evidence, everything we are only doing. We two are only taking evidence, camera footages and luggage, everything only are taking care of ourselves, and this is the first time. That too 24,000 kilometers. Started from Bangalore, and we entered for Andhra Pradesh. From Andhra Pradesh we covered like 1,000 kilometers, and in Telangana 1,000, like 2,000 in Andhra and Telangana. So after that we entered for Odisha and Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Odisha, after Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, and now we are in Meghalaya. Till now we completed 5,500 kilometers. So like this we are going to travel 180 days, still 180 days all over India, like 29 states we are going to cover and 3 union territories. And our main motto is global warming and literacy, basic education and safe environment. This is the main global warming and literacy. This is the main motto of our cycling. And this year, the International Rotary Club have taking a mission of literacy. Literacy is the main motto of this year 2021. So we are also making awareness about literacy. So and we are very happy for Rotary and all public. Till now we completed 8 states. We got very good response from everyone. So we are really happy. We meeting every good person daily, different weather, different place, different food, different experience. So we are really lucky to have this. And I thanks for my supporters, Rotary Whitefield and Dr. Durga Prasad Reddy and Rotary Club of Shishu Mandir. And special thanks for Hari Prasad Reddy and Prashant Reddy. So they are the main pillars of our journey, and I really thank for Rotary Club of Juwai. So we got wonderful hosting here, and we are really happy, and we met wonderful sir and everyone. So we met on a cycling club, cycling group. So they are very energetic, and they are really helping for us for tomorrow, because we are in Meghalaya. We'll bit of confusions here, so we are getting clarified by them the routes. So we are really comfortable with Juwai Rotary and cycling group. So please do cycle, save environment, not daily cycle. Try to do like 2-3 kilometers daily. But nearby stores, you need any basic items, you go by cycle, not to use bikes for 2-3 kilometers. Go by cycle. It is used for health and it will be very good for environment. For Amrang Song. We'll go to the Nagaland border and we'll go to the Arunachal Pradesh. Again we come back to the Assam, Sikkim. We'll enter from border of Nepal to the Bihar. So like this we'll go for Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, north side Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. So even there we are hoping good time, good people we are going to meet there. So
you said that you have covered 5,500 kilometers so far through all these 8 states.
yes,
In the next 180 days, how many kilometers and how many states are you targeting to travel?
19,000 kilometers. Still 19,000 kilometers. Like our mission is like 24,000 kilometers. So we are planning to do 25,000. So we are covering little fast in northeast because some issues are going. So we are covering so fast here, and even north also we are covering so fast. After reaching Punjab, we'll drag the route. Like we'll go like zigzag everything. We're going to roam there. Like in every state we are covered 2,000 kilometers.
So what is the current you're attempting to break the Limca books of records?
19,400 is the current record. So we are going to set the new record of 24,000. So we're hoping for that. We are trying our best.
So your aim is to create awareness on the environment, climate change and literacy.
Basic education.
Yes. So how do you want to disseminate the message towards the public of Meghalaya and even the whole country regarding literacy and environment?
Meghalaya environment is very good. No need to say about save environment. But literacy, by talking in our side, it's like this. As I am telling, like in government schools, there every children don't have like phones and everything. They are not attending online classes, everything. They are losing from 2 years. They are not getting any good education. So till 14 years, they should get proper education, basic education. So please vaccinated, even please take vaccinate. Go again with protocols, follow the protocols in schools. So and everyone should get basic education. This is the main motto, and we are telling in public also. Where we stop for lunch, where we stop for breakfast, they will be asking why are you doing this. So I will tell we are taking a motto of literacy and global warming. So I will explain about that. In explain like in their language only. We'll explain.
So what was the challenges that you faced during your entire journey so far?
More rain we face because it's a monsoon, and no, not that much problems. Daily we are learning new things, so that is a really good experience, and it will be motivated for us. Daily we are motivating ourselves by seeing nature, by meeting every new person.
Kan